Recently, some Call of Duty gamers complained about the lagging and working slow on Android while playing the game. Now, if the Call of Duty keeps slowing and lagging on your Android device, don't worry, there are some processes that you do to play your game smoothly without lagging. Now, to play smoothly, here I present the top 3 proven solutions that will fix the Call of Duty slowing issues in under a minute. So, let's get started. First, before you start, you need to boost your system performance. For that, you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, tap Memory Extension, toggle this option. Now go back, scroll down to the Developer option, make sure to turn on the Developer option. Scroll down and find Graphics Drive Preferences. Tap on it. Now find the Call of Duty Gaming Apps. Tap on the Call of Duty. Choose System Graphic Driver. Now go back. Scroll down and tap Allow Screen Overlay on Setting. After this process, now move on and follow the second process. Now open the Call of Duty game. Now cross icon, tap Setting, tap Audio and Graphic. Choose Medium. Also choose the medium frame rate. Now look at the bottom. Tap Standard, scroll down a little, enable anti-aliasing. Now go back and restart the game. After following the same problem, your problem will be solved. But if this didn't help you to solve your problem, then you need to follow the next process. Open Setting, scroll down, tap App, tap Manage Apps. Look for the Call of Duty application, tap on it. Now tap Auto Start. Tap Other Permission. Tap Display pop-up windows while running in the background. Now go back. Tap Battery Saver. Tap No Restriction. Enable all the setting. Tap Clear Data. Choose a Clear All Cache. Tap OK. After that, swipe down from the top. Turn off the Low Data mode on Android. Now follow the third process. Open the Google Play Store. Search for the Call of Duty gaming apps. Make sure to update the Call of Duty game on your Android device. After following all the work accordingly, you'll be able to solve lagging issues on the Call of Duty on Android, and you'll be able to play the Call of Duty smoothly. If you still have a problem, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.